Yeah, it's been really unsettled, but actually pretty dry across the metro area. Every morning we've seen a little snow in spots. This morning you're going to see it up and through the northern and central mountains. Here in town, it's mostly cloudy. So here over the next few hours, we are going to be tracking more of a change. We're going to go from cloudy skies this morning to rain showers by mid-afternoon. That's going to switch over to snow tonight. And it's likely going to happen during the evening commute. Those temperatures are really going to drop. We'll hit highs in the 40s, but then drop into the 30s during the evening commute. Right now it's 36 under quite a bit of cloud cover. Feels like 25 this morning. So it's again jacket weather, hot coffee weather. Arvada right now 29. Littleton, you're just above freezing at 33. And in Firestone and Erie right now, also just above it at 34. Now, you'll see here on Futurecast, again, we're this morning in through the northern and central mountains. We're picking up a little bit of snow this morning. We will start to see a little more activity here by midday. And I would say one of the first spots we'd likely start to see it will be here on the west side of town and then also north up near Fort Collins and Longmont. Then by early afternoon, in fact, right around 3:30 to about 4 o'clock, things will start to fill in a bit more. The roads will start to get wet by that point. And likely, again, it's going to start off as rain. Temperatures will then, though, start to drop. You'll see some upper 30s through, it looks like, commute time, and then that switch over to snow tonight into early tomorrow morning. We are going to see a few pockets of heavier snow, and I'll show you some of the totals here in just a minute. Denver likely right around, well, upper 20s, low 30s by early tomorrow morning, with light snow continuing through the Friday morning commute. So when it comes to tough commutes this week, and we talked about this all week long, Friday morning would likely be that commute where it's a little bit slushier. Later in the day tomorrow, we're going to see upper 30s. It's going to be a chilly day, winds out of the north, a little blustery. And as those winds pick up in spots like Greeley, Fort Collins, east of there, it's going to feel even colder, but that snow will then start to lighten up. When it comes to totals, it does get tricky with spring storms like this because, again, it starts off as rain. The ground is pretty warm. A lot of it melts as soon as it hits it. But we are looking at a number of winter weather advisories, including up and through the mountains and then also the northeastern corner of the state. So here in town, we're likely going to be at about 1 to 3 inches through the core of the metro area. Little heavier south and west. I'd say we're a little closer to about 2 to 4 inches up in through the foothills and a little closer to spots like C470, Ken Carroll, also Lakewood and Golden. You'll be in around the 2 to 4 inch range. And then as you get up into the mountains, around 4 to 8. So it is going to add up throughout the day and throughout tonight into tomorrow, and colder. Upper 30s, Jason, on Friday. Sunday's looking pretty good. Mostly sunny with highs in the upper 50s by that point.